First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, it looks like we're going to see a little bit more of what we saw yesterday across southern Kentucky, and that is a mix of sun and clouds, occasionally maybe even an isolated shower or two popping up, and a little bit more humidity and maybe just a little bit more heat coming in day by day as we go through the rest of the work week. And as we look at First Alert Live Doppler radar right now, we've seen some isolated showers back toward the Penny Rowell Parkway area, Madisonville to Hopkinsville, and now beginning to see a shower just north of town and some that are trying to get across the Kentucky-Tennessee border. In fact, we'll hone in on this shower that just popped up within the last few minutes right to the north of Plum Springs as you're heading out, say, toward Oakland, up 31W and I-65 and Kentucky 526. Maybe as you head up 185, you're maybe going to run into that shower there. And then further west, those showers back toward Dawson Springs, Princeton, and back into the Hopkinsville, Crofton, Earlington area. Those along 62, the Penny Rowell Parkway 41, and then back along I-69. So we're already getting some shower activity this morning, and the day has just begun. Here's a look at some temperatures now, courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. Mainly low to mid 60s off to the north of us from, say, Hartford, Litchfield, Munfordville north. And then as you head further south, we have upper 60s right around 70 degrees like Scottsville there. Close to that here in Bowling Green and Glasgow at this hour. And we're getting a little bit of sun breaking through the overcast, but as I showed you on radar, north of town, or northeast of town, there's a little shower that's going on right now. 69 degrees currently. The wind's calm, and the barometer is holding steady at 30.10. We look at a few more of our AAA Systems weather cams. This one in Litchfield, up in Grayson County. You're seeing some high clouds with the morning sun, 63 degrees there, 69 and mainly cloudy in Glasgow right now in Barron County. A little bit of patchy fog at Mammoth Cave National Park, but not as much widespread or dense fog like we saw yesterday morning across the area. Your current temperature at the park, 69 degrees. Here's Jamestown Marina, Lake Cumberland, 64 degrees and a partly cloudy sky. 69 at the airport. You saw the updates there just coming in. Most everybody 60s and 70s throughout. We're 5 degrees warmer than we were in the 6 o'clock half hour just yesterday morning. Radar is fairly quiet, although yesterday afternoon we did see those little isolated showers that popped up just mainly northeast of us. And then down in the Tennessee Valley, now we're seeing redevelopment of those showers. There's a weak boundary that's kind of slicing through the central part of Kentucky this morning. It is going to continue to slide off to the west, and with that will be some isolated showers, perhaps even a thunderstorm or two today. And then as we get close to sunset, those showers will fade away because we lose the daytime energy, the sun itself heating up the atmosphere. And as that system just kind of drifts off to the west, it will start to fade away. But tomorrow we could see more widely scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms. Very disorganized, but still enough that if you happen to get one, you could get a little bit of rain and then it all just kind of fades away. Partly sunny today, that chance of an isolated shower. Some of those popping up here this morning, 84. Then for tonight, chance of a shower early, otherwise partly cloudy, 67, your overnight low. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 84, 87 Thursday, 88 on Friday. Notice the gradual warm-up. We're not done with summer yet. We still have a ways to go. In fact, September, I think 21st is the first day of fall. But as we get closer to the weekend, temperatures will be getting back to around 90 degrees, which is close to where we should be for this time of the year. So, as I've mentioned before, even though we've been unseasonably cool, we're not quite done with 90 or around 90 degree temperatures yet.